So today we're down here just to check two hives. We want to see if this has got a queen in it, or a laying queen I should say. And we want to see if this has got a laying queen in it, the fridge hive. Just lately I haven't been using any smoke. So let's see how we get on. So all I need to do is look at the frames until I see brood. Hopefully it won't be too long. And then I'll close them up. That looks like it'd just be honey on that one. And most probably that one as well. Right. The bees are nicely incorporating the skewers into the comb. I think I can see brood. I think this next one is brood. Yep, that's brood. So we've got a laying queen. What we like to see in a hive, isn't it, everyone? Honey at the top, brood at the bottom. It'd be nice to see a few eggs, but I'm not too worried if I don't. Look how calm these bees are as well. I've not got any really trying to attack me. Look, it's a lovely lot of brood there. Always have to remember to turn these on their axis so they don't snap, even with the skewer inside. So nice to see bees on natural comb rather than a frame. Lovely, we've got a hole there so any trapped bees can get out. So that's a queenrite hive. Onto the top bar, this is the bees from, so those bees are from Victoria Coach Station. These bees on the left hand side for my weighed. These were 3 weeks yesterday. Not touched any of the sugar water that I put in there. Okay, we've got comb. Looks like a little bit of cross comb in there. I'd say all of them are cross-combed. Maybe not. Maybe it was just those 2 frames. We will see when we open the next one up. Yeah, you can see what they've done there. And I know the reason. On this I only put small sections of wax strip in the centre. What they've done, they've gone from one to the other. In future we need to put strips right the way across. That is a heavy frame. Okay, and I can see down in there we've got brood, so we know we've got a laying queen in there and brood on that side, so I'm not going to bother opening these girls anymore. We've seen what we need to see. Fouling buck fast in that one. are doing quite well. I gave them an extra couple of frames last week. No, just piling out of there. Let's put that back in. I just need to see if I need to move this frame along. Yeah, because I've started to build comb on the edge of the frame. So I want to give them at least 4 more frames. And attaching. Oh, look at that. These girls are really piling up fast. Two, 3. Let's take this one out altogether. In fact, I'm going to give them 5. Let's get these girls building up quickly. Okay, so those bees have got a lot more space now. I've got 5 extra frames. Bringing them over to here. Let's put that stopper back in just in case. Next lot of bees is this is another swarm that we put into the Lang hive. They've eaten all their honey. Sugar water rather, so they can go out and collect now. I think they've had enough time to build up some comb, but as you see, these girls have got 4 flow frames. Well, they're actually Chinese flow frames, but they're still flow frames. Very basic, not as good as Hyde hives. Cut the fronts in, I'll let it do the job. No, these aren't due to be checked either yet. See, I've got all the dates indoors, and those 2 hives over there were the only ones due for checking today.